VMware is a leading software company. It specializes in virtualization technology. This technology is revolutionizing the way businesses use computers. VMware is making IT infrastructure more efficient and cost-effective. VMware was founded in 1998. Its headquarters are in Palo Alto, California. The company has grown significantly. It now serves millions of customers worldwide. VMware's impact on the tech industry is undeniable. Virtualization is a clever technology. It lets you create multiple virtual computers on a single physical computer. Think of it like this. You have one big cake and you cut it into smaller slices. Each slice is independent, but they all share the same cake. In the tech world, each slice is called a virtual machine. It acts like a real computer. It has its own operating system, like Windows or Linux. You can run different applications on each virtual machine. Virtualization offers many advantages. It improves resource utilization. It reduces hardware costs. It also simplifies IT management. VMware offers a wide range of products. These products cater to different virtualization needs. One of their flagship offerings is VMware vSphere. This is a server virtualization platform. It lets you create and manage virtual machines. Another key product is VMware Workstation. This allows users to run virtual machines on their personal computers. It is popular among developers and testers. VMware also provides cloud computing solutions. VMware Cloud Foundation is one example. It helps businesses build and manage their own private clouds. Section 4. Benefits and applications of VMware. VMware's virtualization technology offers numerous benefits. One major advantage is cost savings. By running multiple virtual machines on a single physical server, businesses can reduce their hardware expenses. VMware also enhances efficiency. IT administrators can deploy and manage virtual machines quickly. This simplifies tasks such as software updates and disaster recovery. Furthermore, VMware improves flexibility and scalability. Businesses can easily adjust their IT resources. They can add or remove virtual machines as needed. This helps them respond quickly to changing business demands. Section 5. VMware's impact on the tech industry. VMware has revolutionized the IT industry. Its virtualization technology has become essential for businesses of all sizes. By enabling more efficient use of hardware resources, VMware has paved the way for cloud computing. Today, VMware continues to innovate. It is at the forefront of technologies like edge computing and hybrid cloud. VMware's solutions are helping businesses navigate the complex world of digital transformation. VMware's impact extends beyond individual businesses. Its technology is contributing to a more sustainable future. By reducing the number of physical servers required, VMware helps conserve energy and reduce electronic waste.